Okay, hi everyone, this is Daily Chilli, today with more gray hair. Actually today I'm in the fourth floor of my life. Today is my birthday. So just to talk about how grateful I am. I think for these last 40 years I experienced many good things. Also have a lot of up and downs, and I'm very happy because of that. I've met a lot of people and traveling to different places. So I'm very thankful about all that. So that's it. Just to let you know, this is the beginning of this new transition, I would say, and also actually I'm gonna start doing another section called creativity, where I'm gonna talk about different creative processes, starting with the branding process in terms of design and aesthetics. So yeah, soon you're gonna start watching these kind of videos. And today's password for my daily journal is birthday. Okay, see you, bye.